Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 10s. Okay, so what we will need for next to the phone is the SIM ejection tool. If you have a look on the box, you will see another little white box here, and if you open it like this, you will see here the SIM ejection tool. Just remove these rings and you will have it. Otherwise, if you want, you can use, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray, there's a small hole in there. And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So what is very nice on that SIM tray is that you are able to insert two nano SIM cards next to a microSD card. So very nice. So let us start with the first SIM card now. You just place it here in the middle. So with missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can extend it also with another SIM card. So if yes, you will put it here on the first position. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and also optional is to add a microSD card. So it is the last position here. Put it like this, so it has to look like this then at the end. And the contacts are also here below. Okay, and if you're ready with, just put your construction back in the phone. Shake it a bit and be sure that's well inserted. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.